Hi guys, today we have this bicycle. This model is 20 Vesta folding. Okay, what's special about this bike is it's included with the front bag and the back bag. Okay, it can be taken off easily and it can use for touring also can. Okay, what's special about this bike is it have an X speed. Okay, X speed. This one using Sensei MX Spec 8. Okay. Yeah. X speed. Okay, double wheel rim. Okay, this one is alloy frame. Big crank. Okay. So use mechanical disc brakes. Okay. And it can be folded long. Size is 20. Okay, if you all like we got sale also. Okay, got a few colors Okay, it's a very nice bike. Okay, now I show you walk around for this folding bike. Okay, enjoy the video. Okay, this is the front bag Okay, come with the rain cover. Okay, so the bottom bracket is a silver ring. And the back here you can take out as a sling bag. You can use the extra compartment like this. Okay, if you don't want to use, can take out. Okay, this is the bicycle Okay, most important, the pedal also can be fold. Okay, if you like the videos please up a like and subscribe. Okay, inquiry for the price also can. Thank you for watching our video.